Folks, we are not done yet. We are dealing with rain and wind events that I can only describe as a super soaker saturation event. Hashtag SUSOSAT. Since the beginning of the year, we have been dealing with these rain and wind events, and I would like to thank the community for their patience as conditions change, sometimes very rapidly.
As everybody is now well aware, the Levitatepaharo breached. It breached last evening around midnight, following a heroic effort by our staff to fight that flood event. Unfortunately, they were overwhelmed by the flows coming down that watershed, and the river breached a portion near River Mile 10 on the eastern portion of the riverbed, and it's approximately a 120-foot breach. It continues to flow. It will flow uncontrolled until we are able to secure that with interim protective measures. The state of California Department of Water Resources is currently en route with their contractor to formulate a mitigation plan that will require not only access but appropriate materials and construction technologies to close that breach. Until then, there will be continued flows and the appropriate emergency response.
We got lucky last month when the flooding occurred only in sparsely populated areas of our county. And because of this, we can all start to experience what I call storm warning fatigue. Please do not ignore our warnings and orders. When we issue these warnings and orders, no matter what the chances are, when it happens to you, it happens 100% to you. Last night and today, Public Safety and County Resources had to conduct over 90 rescues. So please prepare to leave when you are under a warning, and please evacuate if you're given an evacuation order. If you see a close sign, turn around, don't drown.
Just a quick recap of our current hazards. We have a flood warning in place for the area of the Pajaro River due to the ongoing impacts for their flooding. We also have a flood warning for the Salinas River in the southern part of that county because we are still experiencing that river at flood stage, at Spreckles, and we are expecting it to enter flood stage just after midnight on Monday, reaching its peak later on in the week. In terms of a current forecast, this weekend is a very brief respite. Mild temperatures will prevail with lightly scattered showers here and there over the weekend. However, the weather will turn expected Monday night. We are forecasting another atmospheric river to impact the Bay Area and Monterey itself. With the confidence has already grown so that we've issued a flood watch for this atmospheric river as well as a high wind watch for this atmospheric river. Those watches begin on Monday at 10 p.m. and go all the way through Wednesday at 4 a.m. We are in close proximity with our county partners, so they have the latest and greatest information as these dynamic forecasts do change. However, given the close proximity of this atmospheric river to the last one that we just received a few days ago, the ground is incredibly saturated, as are the trees. It will not take much to knock down trees and cause power outages. Flooding is expected.